Alright guys, welcome back. Just made it back from our local junkyard. Had to drop off my oil because I was stockpiling that shit for weeks finally. So now I got more room to put more oil, do my oil change. I got everything set up already, my tools, the oil filter wrench, the funnel. After that, I'm planning on doing the transmission fluid, do the service on that. Just about to start to do the oil change right now, just get out the way. So this is highly advised not to do. So I just drove right now, so the oil is fucking hot, but I just want to get this shit over with. So just about to drain it and then do everything for this, and then start on the transmission fluid. So let's get it going finally. Yo! Alright, so here's the under view of the car. Got the oil pan right here and the oil filter. Good thing these are easily accessible. So what I'm about to do is undo the oil filter plug. Shit. It's hard doing this one hand. Shit. Man, is this the right way? Okay. Can I prop this up somewhere? Maybe right there. Cool. Okay, let's do this two hand now. Put my glove. Oh, damn, that shit is hot already. Oh my god. Dude, did I really tighten it that tight? Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. My brother. I got a brick of bars. Okay. Got the piece from the jack. Let's jack this off. Oh yeah, brother. Oh yeah, brother. Oh yeah, brother. Oh shit. Please tell me I'm doing it the right way. I'm directionally confused sometimes. I believe I'm tightening. Bring it closer. I put the cardboard underneath because I am infamous for spilling oil all over the driveway. So it's always good to have some cardboard laying around. That way, not spilling everywhere. And it's also good to have like some cat litter or like some kind of quick absorbed powder to dry it all up. So just undo this and go. Ooh, you see? Spilt already. And it's spilling. My God. built. Brother, I'm about to title this video how not to do oil change, because look at that shit. I already spilled already. It's all good, gotta learn. So under that, let me just move that a little more. There you go. Jesus. Okay, so moved it closer. Just gonna put in the new oil and then take up the oil filter now. Alright, let me see if I could come back from that. Maybe this could be easier to take off. So, I got my oil filter wrench. Oh shit. Can I do it by hand? Ooh, this shit is hot. Oh yeah. Oh jeez. Bring this closer so I'm not spilling more oil. Oh my goodness. Yep. That shit is hot. How not to do oil change, you guys. So once everything is all dripped out, just clean it. And then from there, hold on. Trying to find a good recording position. That should be good. Just gotta clean everything up. Get my new oil filter. Here's the new one for this 2002 Subaru. This is the M1 108A. Check it out. Boom. It's already wrapped up. Nice. So, take that shit off. Get the old oil. Put it all around the ring right here. Bow. Do that. Get your chamois. Clean it up. Right there. I'm gonna be sure to clean it up all around the area. Okay. It's clean. And just put that on. Alright, let's twist that dish on. Wow. Make sure you screw the oil filter tight enough to where you're struggling. Next oil change, you don't want the oil leaking. Usually hand tighten first. And then tighten with this. That way it's nice and snug up on there. Jeez. Oh, tight. Okay. Oh no, other way. Told you guys I'm directionally challenged. Bitch. other way. My brother in Christ. Okay, fuck that. Man, tighten the fuck out of there. Jeez. Okay. It's good. So now I'm gonna show you guys the old filter. Be sure to recycle these as well. Take it to a local junkyard or auto parts store, because you can't really throw these away. It's bad for the environment. This is the old one. Hold on, let me put my other glove on. This is the old one. It's letting the oil drip out. Fram. This is the one for Fram. So that's donezo. Gotta throw that away. Take it to the store later. Put in the old one. Then I'm gonna pour some new oil down it so it could drain out some of the old, really clean it out. Oh fuck. Jeez. Remember, this is how not to do an oil change, you guys. Spilling more. So there it goes, that slippy. Get your drain plug. Where is it? I put it right here. Once that's done filling up, put this back on. And I'm gonna start topping it off. Probably put a time lapse on here. Ooh, yeah, look at that. That slippy, baby. Okay, finishing up. Usually oil change takes about 30 minutes. If you have everything set up, you know what you're doing, you get everything positioned right without an oil spill. So this would be a quick job. It's always good to keep up on your maintenance every once in a while. once your car running for a long time, you just got to keep up with the maintenance. So it doesn't hurt to do this on your own. It's better to do this than pay, I think, what, oil change is like 90 bucks at like Jiffy Lube or some shit like that. Lock in the thread, get the socket again. Where's my ratchet? Where my ratchet's at? Alright, let's do it. Okay. Make sure that bitch is hella tight. We like that shit nice and tight around here. Okay. And tighten it more. I don't want it to spill oil. Get your bar. Tighten that bitch. No! Alright. Not too tight, but tight enough. Okay, and we'll continue at the top of the car. So this is what the top of the car is looking like. Got my funnel in there. Here's the dipstick to check, and then here's the oil fill reservoir right there. So this is the oil I'm using, 5W30. Wow, gonna use the whole thing, 5 quarts. Typically you put about 4, but I'm gonna just put a majority of the bottle, but save some in case, you know, it burns oil, and so in case I have the little bit left, so just pour it up. Bloop, 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 bloop. Pour it up, pour it up. Watch it all fall out. Fall out. Okay. Typically, can't really see the oil. Feels like it's right about there, this level. So that's pretty good. Let me just pour a little extra. Wow. That's about it. And check on the bottom, make sure nothing's leaking. Don't want that to happen. You have to buy another oil. So it's looking pretty good at the bottom. Nothing's really leaking, so that's good to see. Everything all sealed up. I'm gonna have to double check that off camera. And yeah, that's basically how you do oil change with the spill. So I mean, hey, we did it. Yeah, that's typically how you do it. Take the oil off of here, clean it up, and then top that back on. Oil, boom. Let's go see. So let me just clean up that dipstick. Oh yeah. Yeah, this engine bay is looking a little crusty. I have to clean it up. So, I mean, it's not warmed up yet, so you can't really see. So when it warms up, it's gonna be up to level, but it's looking pretty good. Which is the oil pan. So, boom, that's it. If you guys like this video, you guys made it this far, man. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'll have it posted up soon, and just comment down below what else you guys want to see on the car. I'm just trying to get the maintenance stuff all done and taken care of before I get to the fun stuff like exhaust, wheels, rims, and all that. But yeah, man, just show your support, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what else you guys want to see. It doesn't have to be car related. And you guys just have a blessed day, man. If I was to leave you with a positive affirmation for the day, don't be scared to try new things. You know, don't be afraid to make mistakes. We all make mistakes, as you guys can see here. No one's perfect. So as long as you're able to do it, get through whatever you're going through, you know, you guys can make it. All right, with that being said, y'all have a blessed day. Thank you guys for watching. Continue supporting the channel, and just have a blessed day, everyone. See you in the next.